I got everything I need, so I'm gonna start driving up. That's the one that I need to go to. I'm gonna reverse into there. Yeah, that should do that. It's a bit narrow, this place, but that building right there as well. Woo! All right, I just arrived to get my trailer. Hopefully it's done, so let's go and find it. All right, that's a trailer there. Before I go in, I'm gonna go and give it a quick inspection before I get underneath of it. All right, now we're going to do our inspection quickly. A big light like this we all need. We all right on fuel, tires, yeah, it's looking intact. Bars, everything. So that means that we're ready to rumble. All right, I got the signature, I got everything I need, so I'm gonna start driving up. I'm on my way to Bolton first, 2 o'clock in the morning. Very good start. All right, we are 290 miles. Time to start like getting this wheel spinning, so let's do that. Like, if you're all right for me to start recording at night time like this, because this is gonna happen quite a bit, or you want me just to record the daytime, tell me, let me know. Whatever you want me to do, that is what I'm gonna do. Gonna wait until it's daylight, it's gonna start recording. It's gonna take 290 miles. We're gonna be there 8:13 says, but I doubt it, because we need to take a 45 minutes as well in between. So be back in a minute. All right, we have been driving for about 7.5 hours, or 7 hours, something around then times. We are back up north. Honestly, like, driving that early in the morning is so easy. It's no traffic whatsoever. It's just a clear road and just drive through. I even went through Birmingham and it was no traffic whatsoever. I was thinking about using the toll. I even rang up the office to give me permission to go through the toll, N6 toll, but it wasn't needed because it was clear. All right, here we are. So this is the place where we gotta do the drop. I would be back earlier than this, but the Dartford Bridge was closed this morning. I think they will do some repair or something like that. So I got there, and when I go there, I have to turn around, and I went the long way on the N25. That's all right, at least we got here on time. All right, I got the paperwork back. I got one of this as well. I think this is a self-tip as well, so I'm gonna go and crack on with this. Let's go and find the bay now. All right, it's trying to go a bit back, and that should do that. All right, time to go to the office now. Let's do it. Now I need to find out who this guy is and talk to him, but he's not in there. He's probably gone to the toilet or something like that. This is chaos in here. Like, look, it's like 100 trucks trying to park up used to go in the bay as well. So I'm gonna wait for him to go on one of the bays, and then when he goes from one of the bays, then I go from there. So yeah. All right, time to go on a bay. Yeah, we're all right there. Okay, let's go on up and then doors. Next one. Yeah, doors open. Just gotta get in. Whoop. Nice. All right, I got the loads. Gonna tip it with that and then take all that out, so let's do that. All right, 3 bars to take out. That's how easy to take out. No ratchets, none of that, no jumping around. This is as easy as it gets. Halfway there now. Well, last pallet, last one, and we're gonna deliver that next, and that should be us done. Still waiting. This is taking a while. This apparently checking and doing the little last bits, and then I'll be able to get on my web. But it's been like an hour now. All right, I got the paperwork signed for, so that is about it. Gonna go to the next location now. The baby's waiting there. Hop on it. get on it, drive away. Need to close the doors before we leave, so do that now and get out of here. All right, that's in it. I'm closing it. All right, our next destination is Manchester, so not that bad. Should be there in an hour or so. All right, by the look of this is our next delivery. So yeah, it's quite tight there, but I think that's gonna be a reverse there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive there, and then when I get there, I speak to the guys that work there. But yeah, it seems like enough space to do a little reversing there. Nothing too difficult, so let's do that. All right, we are around the corner from this delivery, but how is this green and they coming in? I don't know how some of them traffic lights work, but stop there and then we'll be able to go. Wow, this is a long hell. So this place that I'm going, I have never been to it. It's around the corner from here and it's a little bit tight. So what am I gonna do as soon as I get there is I'm gonna park outside wherever I can, and then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna talk to them and see if I need to reverse in, see if they go enough space inside, because it doesn't look like a big yard. So better make sure before I go in, because I don't want to go in blind. All right, this is the way there, and it's around the corner there. That is the customer entrance. Hopefully back here is the way to get in. So what I'm gonna do now, because I couldn't park back there anyway, I'm gonna have to park up here. I think this is the entrance. That's the one that I need to go to. So I'm gonna park up here. I know it's a yellow line, but it'll be quicker than 5 minutes. So I think I'm gonna have to reverse in there. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to ask them to move that. So better go and ask them. All right, you spoke to the guy there. Gonna reverse into there. They're gonna move that. They got another entrance over there, but he said that it'd be easier if I reverse in. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna get down there. It's a lot of space. They're gonna get that wagon move. So down, reverse in, job done. All right, this guy's trying to do the same. He's trying to park over there. All right, we need to go past that pole there, and then it should be all right. Yeah, that should do there. Oof. All right, I got a pole right there, but that is not a problem. Yeah. That is how a pro reverses into tiny spaces. Straight in, straight out. All right. It's a bit narrow, this place, but that building right there as well. Woo! Yeah.
Just that.
One pallet down, one more to go. Don't know where we're going. Find out in a minute. It's heavy, these things. Woo. Last pallet going out. Come on. We're gonna take this now. For yours. Last ones. Right, time to get out of here. It seems like it was a little bit more difficult driving in, like reversing in the driving out. I don't know, I find it easier like driving because the back of my trailer is gonna be like so close to this, so I'm gonna have to, well, I will, if I feel the need, I will get out and have a look at it. It's all right, pal, take your time. No, I get out of there. It's all right, pal, take your time. Let me see this. Oh, not plenty of space there. So the plan now is getting to a service station and packing up for the night. We're quite far away from the depot, so we gotta be there 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Gonna go and find a service station to stay tonight. Tomorrow's start is 4 o'clock in the yard, so start heading to the yard 4 o'clock. So nothing difficult. And feels like it's late because lately I've been starting quite early in the morning as well, between 2 o'clock to half 2 in the morning. 4 o'clock sounds like a good break to me. Sounds like a good sleep as well. Like, subscribe, comment, really appreciate all the support I get. Surprises are well coming up.